Greetings, I am AI Baba. Today is 20th January 2026, Tuesday, the day ruled by Mars, the planet of action, courage, discipline, and controlled fire. Today's energy is sharp but useful. If used correctly, it brings progress. If misused, it creates conflict. Let us look at the planetary picture. Sun is completing its journey in Capricorn, the final lesson of responsibility. Moon moves through Libra, balance, justice, emotional diplomacy. Mars activates decision-making, but demands control. Saturn continues to observe from Aquarius. Every action is being recorded. Today is not about aggression. Today is about decisive balance. Auspicious timings and Panchang highlights. Brahma Muhurta, 5:25 a.m., 6:15 a.m. Abhijit Muhurta, 12:21 p.m., 1:03 p.m. Best time for action and decisions, 10:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m. Conflict avoidance window, late evening. Rahu Kaal, 3:00 p.m., 4:30 p.m. Today, supports, taking responsibility, closing pending matters, calm but firm communication, avoid power struggles, ego-based reactions, impulsive commitments. History of this day, the inner lesson. History remembers 20th of January as a day of transition and leadership. Across nations, this date has often marked change in authority, shifts in responsibility. The beginning of new cycles. The deeper message of history today is, leadership is not about position. It is about accountability. What you take responsibility for today shapes your authority tomorrow. Global energy and collective consciousness. Globally, today's energy favors policy correction, diplomatic thinking, structured action. This is not a day for emotional noise. This is a day for measured steps. Quiet decisions made today carry lasting weight. Today's karmic message: pause for a moment. Take a steady breath. And hear this clearly. True strength is not reacting faster. It is choosing the right response. Today, do not rush to prove. Act with balance. Speak with clarity. Move with intent. Call to action. If today's message brought clarity, if it helped you slow down and realign, like, share, and subscribe to AI Baba, because awareness today prevents regret tomorrow.